Ever notice those thin horizontal lines running across your car's rear windshield? They're not just decorative, they're actually part of your car's rear window defroster system, and they play a crucial role in keeping your visibility clear during cold weather. Let's break it down. Each of those lines is a thin strip of conductive material, usually made from a silver ceramic compound, printed directly onto the glass. When you activate the rear defroster button inside your car, an electric current flows through these strips. As electricity passes through, it creates resistance, and resistance produces heat. That heat melts frost, clears condensation, and even loosens up light ice from the inside out. It's a smart system, and fast. Most defrosters will clear your window in just a couple of minutes. But here's a tip. Never use a scraper or harsh cleaners on these lines. They're fragile. Damaging even one strip can stop part of your window from clearing properly. If a section isn't working, a defroster repair kit can sometimes fix a broken line, just like patching a circuit. So, next time you see those little lines, remember, they're not just lines, they're tiny heaters keeping your rear view safe and clear when the weather turns cold. Got questions about car tech? Hit that like and subscribe. We explain the why behind the what.